from the Kinky Girls, and today I am doing a quick tutorial, quick video on how to maintain your twist out, braid out, or whatever type of curls that you may have without retwisting each section at night. And if you like me, got kids, don't really have time to do all of that type of stuff every night. So first, what I want to say is, you know, I don't necessarily, personally, I don't have to have my curls as defined. So I like them when they're just a little bigger. I like my hair when it's messier. I don't like it to be too perfect. If you do like your twist and your braid out to be super duper perfect, and you like those that pattern to be maintained throughout the entire head, then you probably would have to retwist it at least probably 4 times throughout the week. But like I said, for me personally, I'm okay with it being a little messier and not as defined. So one of the things that, one of the ways you can maintain it is take a band. And some of the people that have just been naturals for a while, you already know about this. Bringing all of the hair up on top of the head and pineappling it. So basically you're gonna do this. Take your band. And we're going to bring all of the hair up, 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 up to the top of the head. Just like this. So after you do that, there's a couple of ways that you can maintain it from hair, depending on the length of your hair. If your hair is pretty lengthy, then you can kind of take it and just make a loose bun as one option. If your hair isn't as lengthy, then it'll be okay. You don't even have to put anything on it to I would say you could do something like this if your hair is pretty lengthy. And of course we want to tie those edges, so have a scarf handy. You could pretty much sleep on it like this. That's one way. What I've been doing as of lately, I haven't been making a bun. I kind of leave it like this, and I've just been throwing a bonnet on, because what I've noticed is it sometimes wrapping it in a bun, depending on how you sleep, and this bonnet is kind of loose, but it's been working for me. It hasn't been coming off. Sometimes wrapping it in a bun will change the shape, and you gotta kind of tug at it a little more in the morning to get the shape that you want. So this kind of keeps it where it's not too tight and getting too smashed up, and I still have the shape that I like when I take it down in the morning. So this is how I, Camila from the Kinky Girls, maintain my hair at night when I have a twist out or a braid out, and I don't want to retwist each section every single night, because that can be time consuming. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.
Nights like this, I wish I could just fly away.